Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're bringing you a deep dive into what we confidently call the best clear TPU shockproof phone case on the market. The ESR Clear Case, part of the Project Zero series, specifically designed for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 13. Let's start with first impressions. At a glance, this case screams simplicity, elegance, and functionality. It's got that premium clarity that lets your iPhone's natural color shine through, and it feels incredibly lightweight, just 1.6 millimeters thick. But don't let that fool you. This case is more than just a pretty face. Moving on to build quality. The ESR Clear Case is made from high-grade TPU. That's thermoplastic polyurethane, which means it's flexible yet durable. It's soft enough to wrap around your phone easily, but strong enough to protect it from daily wear and tear. ESR also included a microdot pattern inside the case that prevents that annoying wet look you get from cheaper clear cases clinging to your phone's surface. This case isn't just slim, it's smart. It features what ESR calls air guard corners, which are designed to absorb shocks and impacts from drops. It also has raised screen edges and a camera guard, giving your most vulnerable parts extra cushioning. ESR claims military-grade drop protection, and while we haven't drop tested it from a cliff, it's safe to say that this case is built to take a hit. Compatibility-wise, it's made for both the iPhone 14 and iPhone 13, same dimensions, same snug fit. The cutouts are precise, the buttons are clicky and responsive, and importantly, it fully supports wireless charging. You won't have to take the case off to drop it on a MagSafe pad or Qi charger. Another standout feature is its resistance to yellowing. One of the biggest complaints with clear cases is that over time they start to discolor and look grimy. ESR combats that with a high-quality polymer blend that resists UV damage and discoloration over time. That means your case stays looking newer for longer, and your phone looks better as a result. And let's talk usability. Putting the case on and taking it off is effortless, thanks to the flexible material. That's a small detail, but it matters, especially if you like to swap cases often. You're not going to end up with cracked fingernails or bent buttons. Support is another area where ESR stands out. They offer a 12-month warranty, plus lifetime customer support and detailed setup videos. It's a small touch, but it shows the brand is serious about customer satisfaction. It's a clear case. It's not trying to be flashy or complicated. It's trying to be clean, functional, protective, and sleek, and it nails all four. And with options available for newer models like iPhone 15 and even the upcoming iPhone 16 series, this is a case that's clearly future-focused. To wrap it up, the ESR Clear Case delivers where it matters. It's slim, protective, transparent, and built to last. Whether you're a minimalist who wants to show off your iPhone's design or someone who just wants a reliable everyday case, this one checks every box. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Catch you next time.